Hey! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5Z, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down right away. Now select Privacy section over here and click on Permission Manager. After that, click on one of your device's features, like location, and select an app by clicking on it, like camera. Then click on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, camera just gained access to this device location if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature and then an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to manage all my permissions for recorder. So I have to click on it, scroll all the way down and click on See All Recording Permissions instead. Then manage them from here. Only for this app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!